Getting real-time data on TradingView is a straightforward process that can enhance your trading experience and decision-making. To start, you need to have a TradingView account, which can be created for free on their official website. Once you have your account, log in and navigate to the charting platform. TradingView offers real-time data on various financial markets, including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. To access real-time data, you need to upgrade to a paid plan, as the free version has a delay of around 15 minutes. The paid plans offered by TradingView are Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. The Pro plan is the most basic paid plan and it offers real-time data on US stocks and futures. The Pro Plus plan adds real-time data on US options and forex, while the Premium plan offers the most comprehensive data coverage, including real-time data on cryptocurrencies and international markets. After selecting and upgrading to a paid plan, you can access real-time data on your desired market by searching for the ticker symbol in the search bar and clicking on it. You can then customize your chart with various indicators and tools to suit your trading strategy. It is also important to note that TradingView offers a paper trading feature, which allows you to practice trading with real-time data without risking any real money. This feature is available on all paid plans and can be accessed from the account settings. In addition to accessing real-time data, TradingView also offers a range of other features, including alerts, backtesting, and a community forum where you can connect with other traders and share ideas. By utilizing these features and accessing real-time data, you can take your trading to the next level and make more informed decisions. Overall, getting real-time data on TradingView is a simple and effective way to enhance your trading experience and improve your chances of success in the financial markets. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features offered by TradingView, you can gain a competitive edge and achieve your trading goals.